Hi guys, Jada here. We are building frames for an art show that we have in Florida. We will be building 6 gorgeous frames that look just like this. Get ready. David took all of the measurements and came up with a design for the frames. Then he got started building.
I have 6 frames to make, and I'm just going to start with 1 to test it out, and then I'm going to just mass produce it after I finish the 1.
Well, David, there's a surprise. We got 2 of our photos into 2 more galleries, so you actually need to build a total of 8 frames. David just finished frame 1. Isn't she a beauty? She gave us some challenges, but look at her now. Are you proud?
Alright, so I needed a router table and I didn't have one, so I made it. Day 4 of making the frames. They're taking me a bit longer than expected, but I'm taking my time and they're looking real fancy.
Building frames is so meticulous. Every measurement has to be super exact or it messes everything up.
Check this one out. So big.
Eventually, we graduated to sanding and wood filling. We need to redo our deck, but for now, it doubles as our wood shop and our art studio. We're at the spray paint phase. David is priming everything, and then we get to the fun part with all the color.
It's time to paint. Yeah.
We color matched the paint to our photographs and painted every frame a different color.
I'm gonna let it dry.
I'm gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna let it dry, eat some lunch, and then we have 7 more to go. Gotcha.
Oh yeah.
I put the really wide one on this stuff.
Drop it.
Then we moved on to assembly and framed the photos. Oh man, green hole. Whoa! Holy cow, that looks so good.
Good choices, good choices.
Oh my god, that's the effect. That's the effect. What's up? Oh. Okay. So this photo here, we have already framed it, but the color doesn't work. The spray paint color does not match the photo the way it is supposed to. So we have to take it apart and redo this because it doesn't work. It's too far gone. So going to spray paint it a new color and then put it all back together. Surgery has commenced.
We are about to change this color to this color.
This was nerve-wracking, and I had so much self-doubt. We're about to frame our biggest photo. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. All of the photos came together perfectly, and we were so happy.
So we're driving down to Orlando right now to drop off all the paintings, and by paintings I mean photographs that we took for the show coming up. Last time we shipped something to Florida, everything got messed up, so I was like, why not? Let's do a road trip. So we're doing a road trip.
Yeah, it's all back under there, guys. It's gonna get there safe and sound, right? The plan was to drop the photos off at the gallery in Orlando, then head to Nashville for Olivia Jeans' album release show. We photographed her album cover for Raving Ghost, and we were so excited to celebrate its release.
We're at south of the border, friends.
It's still here! I got to say, I do love a road trip. We decided to stop in Jacksonville for the night to eat, rest, and finish the drive to Orlando in the morning. We found a cheap hotel on Hotels Tonight and decided to give it a shot.
Tell me about your
Okay.
Wait, you turned the TV on or no?
No, did you? Hey, welcome to my $97 per night hotel room, which is actually a lot more spacious than I thought. I have a desk area over here, a mini bar, kitchen vibe going, and then we have like a little living room thing going on here. TV. I wonder if this TV like rotates. You can see. Oh, it does. Oh, doesn't it?
Ish. Keep going with
so
the
you
tour.
can see it from the bed. Whoa! It says "Good evening, Jada." Never seen that before. And then like here's the bed set up. It's not too bad. A lot of dead space over here. I feel like they could have put like a chair, something, but it's a lot bigger than I thought. Okay. Bathroom area looks nice and clean. That's good. Yeah. It all like seems pretty decent. Not the nicest hotel in the world, but like $97, not so bad. Your mom's into some Lysol because she's a germaphobe and she's turned me into one too now. So we just gotta spray everything down, really make sure things are clean. So like hit this remote, let's just do this table. Might as well just like freshen everything.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
Our photos made it to Orlando safe and sound, and we dropped everything off at the gallery. We just dropped off our photos at the gallery, and now we're heading to Nashville for Olivia Jeans' album release party. But Nashville was pretty far away, so we decided to head to Atlanta for the night.
Traffic jam.
Well them to my new hotel room. This is the Kimpton, and it's definitely an upgrade from last night. We have this like very like nice, luxurious, modern bathroom over here, and then we come on in, and we have this nice, cozy, modern living space, desk. Because I do have some work to do tomorrow. I actually have to film something for Abbey Road Studios. Kind of cool. I'm gonna do it right here. But yeah, this is like an awesome space. I really like this room. This hotel's super nice.
With their food.
We just left Atlanta. We stayed at a really cute Kimpton hotel last night. Loved the hotel. Not the greatest fan of the service. That was my review. But now we are heading to Nashville for Olivia's album release show. The album is out today. Pretty cool. Been listening to that in the car as we go. But yeah, this is the second to last leg of our road trip. It turns out Taylor Swift was in town, and all of the hotels in Nashville were crazy expensive.
Thanks to Taylor Swift, we had to get a Holiday Inn hotel room an hour and 15 minutes away from Third Man Records. Yeah.
Like a gift? We made our way to Third Man Records for Olivia Jeans' album release show. It was surreal to see our photos everywhere.
Record release day. Wait, let me say one more thing. I know you all had tickets to go see Taylor Swift, and you chose to come here tonight, so thank you for that. We know where the fans are. Ladies and gentlemen, Olivia Jeans!
Olivia was amazing. Her new album, Raving Ghost, is so good, and we had such a fun time at the show. It felt extra cool watching her perform in the Blue Room because we photographed her album cover in this same exact spot. The next day, we packed up and headed home. But not for long. David was tired of his blonde hair, so we had to get him a haircut.
Really good. We're headed back to Orlando for our art show, and we brought the dogs.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers them on!
Cheers! Cheers!
To the art!
To the art!
To the arts!
Our family came for the opening, and it made it even more special.
We're very excited also to have two fantastic people who drove all the way from Virginia, and they're here tonight, and it's Jada and David. Where are they? There they are. Come. So Jada and David have the works in Gallery 3, the very colorful works. And what I want to say about them is that when you see their work, you have to realize that everything is done 100%. They build the sets, they photograph, they do the lighting effects. Everything is done as one shot, meaning what you see is what you have on the set. And then on top of that, they frame it and the custom frame with the same colors as you have on the pictures. So, should I give the microphone to some of the artists to say hello? Or how do you...
Hi guys, this is exciting. Yeah, I'm really excited to share our work with you. It is very loud, bright, colorful. There's a touch of playfulness and whimsy to it. And like Patrick said, David built all of the sets and the frames themselves. So the whole thing is truly a work of sculpture and photography.
Seeing people interact with our art was the coolest experience ever. This was our first gallery show, and it really made us feel like artists. Like this video, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment letting us know what you thought of our adventure.